Hey guys, Dino here, welcome back to the Motor Dan's Garage. Today I was doing a few jobs on the VR and just thought I'd give you an update on my fairing, how it's going. Well, bloody good actually. So today I was changing my left heated grip, which stopped working in the TT, and also my spotlights have stopped working as well. One of them stopped just before the TT, which I replaced, and then the other one just stopped there. So I had the whole, basically headlight out, getting into all the wire in there. So I gave everything a good check over in there. All the wiring's pretty much exactly where I left it. Nothing's rubbing through anywhere. Everything's working as it should. The headlight beam out of there seems to be working well. Did a bit of night riding at the TT and it's good. It's pretty much where it was, slightly higher than what it was before. It still catches my light bar, but only very slight, nothing like it was before. USB port's working well there. I was using that heaps in the TT. I think overall it looks pretty good. You can see that's my fuck up there with the put the fuse box in the wrong place. I haven't had to use my SAE plug on this side yet. I did charge the bike a couple of times through that, but I haven't had to use it for my pump yet. Sat-nav is in the perfect position while I'm riding, which is just great. I was going to get a longer arm, but I'm not going to do that. Switches are working fine. I can easily see my 12 volt socket there. It's really good. This here, I haven't had to use that at all. I did remove that today. Comes on in and out okay. So yeah, I've done about 4,000k since I built it. Most of them have been on road. I've done probably about 400k's off road. That sat nav does wobble around a bit off road. It's not terrible. It's not bad at all actually. It's way better than what it used to be. There's not a problem there. Headlight seems to be, that vibration dampening that I've put in there works. It's not excessive, it doesn't bounce around when you're looking at it down the road, which is good. Yeah, there's nothing else really to say. It's just working as it should. There's only two things I would change if I was going to do another one, and that would be welding it instead of rivets, so it just looks that bit neater. That's not really something that's doable for me, and probably never would be. So if I was going to do another one, I would like to weld it. The only other thing I would do is integrate this toolbox from the start. So this was kind of like an afterthought once I had all this built up. While I can take this bag in and out, it is a bit of a pain in the ass. It's not something that I would do. Like I said, I've never had to use it in 4,000k's, but if you could integrate like an actual toolbox in there from the start of your design, that's what I would do, and it would just make it look a bit neater and it'd be easier to access. So yeah, those are only two things that I would change. Everything else is perfect, and I'm not going to go to any hassle of changing them on my current design. This is version 1. This is going to be on the bike for a long time. I don't see me taking this off anytime soon. It does exactly what I want to do, and like I said, it cost me like $100, so I can't really go wrong at that. I have got my cardboard cutouts of the side plates. I copy them onto some A4 paper and I will put them up as a PDF document. So if you guys want to make your own fairing there, I have got it'll be in the description. You can print this off and copy that onto a bit of aluminium. I don't have the actual flat plates as a cardboard template, but they are just straight plates. You can easily measure them. If you get your two side plates, bolt them up, and then just measure out your squares. It's not too difficult. So thanks for watching. Hope you found this update helpful, and if you want to make your own, just certainly go for it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. See ya.